Today, I will continue to show you how to use the auto editor to create a perfect design. As explained, in this menu, you can import more photos, move them between chapters, even creating more pages, or remove them entirely. To prevent these updates from affecting pages you have already finished, we can lock the spread. Click the padlock icon on the specific page you consider perfect. Now you can continue to add or remove photos elsewhere, knowing your locked spreads are safe. You can see a color tab on the sides of the spreads indicating which chapter that specific spread is included in. This makes it easy to visualize your story's progression. At the bottom of the spreads, you have the Other Photos tab, where you can see all the images not currently in use in the album. To use them, all you need to do is drag and drop them directly into the page you want. You also have total control over the flow. You can change the disposition of the chapters. Just drag them on the left and drop them in the place you want. Inside each chapter, the auto editor also lets you move spreads to perfect the sequence. Don't forget to follow for more tutorials and tips that will improve your workflow.